Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your iPad 13 2026 is frozen or unresponsive. In such case, the first thing that you have to try is the force restart operation on your tablet, which you can perform by short pressing the volume up key, then volume down key, and then holding down the power button until the screen of your device goes off. Leave your tablet like this for a couple of seconds, and after that short press the power button once again for about 5 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Then just let it turn on. And if after the restart your tablet is still unresponsive, you have to get yourself the original Apple charger and the original power delivery cable, plug it into your iPad and let it charge for at least half an hour, and then see if this helps you. If it doesn't help you by itself, you can also perform the previously mentioned operation once again while your tablet is turned off. So short press the volume up key, then volume down button, and then hold down the power button until your laptop turns off. After that, wait for a couple of seconds and turn on your laptop again, or wait until it turns on by itself. And after that, the issue should be resolved. But if not, then in such case, you have to reach out to Apple customer support service or follow the instructions on one of our videos explaining how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode of your tablet. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.